if you guys like that no yapping at the beginning there or not. But see what you guys think about that. If you guys are fine with that, or like that, just driving, get into it, definitely can upload those a lot more than just the regular POVs. But just pretty much driving back home now. Was thinking about going to the grocery store, but I don't know if I have enough time. They'll pick up something to make for dinner tonight, but I just had to pick up a new blade for my lawnmower. They didn't have a fertilizer that I like to use on my grass too, so probably just gonna have to order that online when I get home, for it to come in sometime. It's been really hot, heat wave going across the country. I'm sure you guys know it's been blazing hot, so I got the AC on and camera got too hot, so probably stop recording at some point. But hopefully it's all right now. But we're just getting back to the crib. I'm not gonna do too much yapping as it is either, but I appreciate all the views and all the likes, comments. If you haven't already, subscribe down below, like down below, comment down below. Let me know what y'all think, what y'all want to see. The next video, I think I'm gonna be doing 5 things that I don't like, or 5 things that I like about the STI, and then after that I'll probably give like another video about why I got an STI over a WRX, just so that's out there, and probably, I guess, give my opinion on the two right now. So it's really hot out. I don't know where that last clip cut out, but I said I think I announced that next videos that I was gonna plan on recording besides just the regular POVs, but I think I'll probably just end this here since my camera's dead and I don't really like to drive and holding my phone up. And I hope my finger wasn't in the picture right there, but well, pretty much I'll catch you guys in the next video. It's very hot for me to just be, I guess, driving and recording and leaving the camera on, so it's too hot for that. And I don't really like when I blast the AC while I'm driving and recording. It defeats the whole purpose of hearing the car and whatnot. So we're just gonna end the video off here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hopefully it's a little less hotter out and we can have a longer just driving POV, less yapping. But yeah, I appreciate you all. Catch you on the next one. Peace.